Well, you guys know I don't hide stuff here, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what happened. As I was hooking back up the tubing right there on the airspeed sensor, I needed to cut it shorter. So I was real careful to get these wires out of the way and then cut the tubing to the length I wanted it. But I wasn't careful enough to get the GPS wires out of the way. And I cut right through all 4 of the GPS wires. But if you remember, I made a cable that was too short. Guess what? This one may be too long, but at least it's not too short anymore. So I'll get that in there, and then we'll call the airspeed sensor / GPS wiring repair complete. Okay, at this point, I'm further along than I was when I started this morning. I made a cable, connected it up to the UART port. You can see power's fine. It's also passing power to the airspeed sensor. This time my cable has enough length to be routed. This battery cable's totally in the way right now. Routed up in the top here and then back to the bay. So the other one was so short it just was taut and was in the way. This one I will be able to get completely up and out of the way. I do my cable management last after I get everything ready, because just like this happened where I cut the GPS cable. For me, you can never tell what might happen. The lucky part for me is I've been doing electronics for 50 years, so resoldering up another cable takes me all of 5 or 10 minutes. It's just a no-brainer for me, but I sure do hate it when I make a mistake and cut something I shouldn't. Let's see, that's a servo wire. That's a servo wire that stays plugged in, so those also will be routed at the end. Okay, aside from the support that I keep talking about on the V-tail back here, I'm ready for electronics.